first day of IKEA cabinet installation. I rate this experience a B-.
B-, huh?
Yeah. We are figuring it out, but it is, some of them are, I mean, our floor basically is not totally even, so that's, I think, why we're having some issues. But it's gonna get easier and better, I think, the more we do. Right, Dave?
That's right.
Anyway, it's late and we need to eat, so I'm getting grumpy. All right, we are back here. It's a new day. I am well fed and caffeinated. So what's the deal? We got this going on.
Cabinets are going in. Step one was setting a rail, which you can kind of see back there.
This silver rail.
And we had to figure out what the high and low point of the room were so that we...
Our floor is not even, so that was interesting.
Yep. But these come with these self-adjusting feet. Make a nice squeak. So you hang the cabinets, they kind of click onto the rail, make sure they're all level and even, then you add the feet, and then adjust up and down. They're kind of like shims, but plastic IKEA shims.
Yep. And this is where our cooktop is gonna go. That is a pot filler, which I'm very excited for. And this corner piece was like the biggest one, so we had to do a little extra thought on that one. And then next over here, we're gonna have a double oven here, a pantry, and then this is all countertop. So I think we're gonna put the railing on here to hang the cabinets, the base cabinets down there. And this is our dining room. So, ready?
Let's do it.
Cabinetry. Here's where we are. Here's our potential kitchen island. We've been going through a bunch of different configurations and scenarios, but I think this is what's gonna work. We just need to order another 18-inch cabinet because we wanted to make sure there was enough egress here to walk through, and with the 24 inches it was just a little too tight, so making some adjustments. And need to go eat dinner. Good morning. Another day, another cabinet. Here we are. Dave expertly turned this 24-inch cabinet into an 18-inch cabinet so it could fit in our island. IKEA is having some serious delays, so we had to take matters into our own hands.
Improvise, adapt, overcome.
Yeah. So hopefully that works out. Don't tell anyone. And right now I am organizing. I'm taking all of the inventory and dividing it into each cabinet. So all the hardware, all the drawers, the fronts, everything, I'm putting it in each cabinet so that we can get super organized. Also, we'll probably realize that maybe we're missing a couple things. So this way, trying to get organized. This is our dining room setup. And our kitchen, it's coming together. I'm very excited for this kitchen island too. So Here we go. All right, another day done. We'll be back tomorrow. It's dark out, so so much to do. This is our pantry, and this will be our double oven situation that will go here, but we still need to get another railing up there. And hoping it comes tomorrow. We were able to order some more stuff from IKEA, so hopefully it gets here soon. All right, you guys, there is so much going on at the house. I just got here. It's like 7 p.m. and Dave and his brother-in-law Hernan are here, and they're crushing it. And so I'm gonna show you what's new. They are working on the kitchen island, and they are bracing it to the cement floor.
Yeah, I think so, right?
Yeah. That's a good idea.
So we had to get a drill that drills into cement, right?
A drill bit.
A drill bit.
There's kind of I could think of that.
So that is what's happening. We got the sink in, look. This is our beautiful farm sink. And they put in these supports under it, so it's nice and secure.
Now let's make sure this is trued up. And then
What I'm gonna do is write a note to hide inside the kitchen island so that when somebody else finds it in the year 2075, they will know we were here in the worst year ever, 2020. All right, so tomorrow we are moving here permanently. We're getting rid of our rental, and we are gonna move in. This is like our temporary little studio space that we're gonna put our bedroom in. We have a bathroom, so yeah, we're gonna move in, even though clearly we are not done. But that means we are gonna wake up and live and breathe this project. Now we don't have to drive, 30 minutes just to get here from our last place. So it's all very exciting, and glad to take you guys on this journey. Tune in for our next update.